Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to use maximum output in Jump Showdown. To achieve maximum output, your primary goal is to remain on the platform for as long as possible. This involves a combination of precise movement and perfectly timed jumps. Start by observing the rotating bar's speed and height. Understanding its pattern is crucial for anticipating its next pass and planning your evasive actions. Focus on conserving your momentum and making every movement count. Optimal movement is key to survival. Instead of constantly running, utilize short hops and walking to conserve your position and avoid accidental falls. Position yourself strategically, often near the center or slightly off-center, allowing you to react to the bar from either direction. Anticipate the bar's trajectory. If it's moving clockwise, prepare to move counterclockwise to maintain your safe zone. Efficient movement minimizes risk and maximizes your time on the platform. Perfecting your jump timing is paramount. Aim to jump just as the bar is about to sweep beneath you, giving you maximum clearance. A regular jump provides sufficient height for most passes, but a well-timed dive can offer extra height and horizontal distance, crucial for clearing higher bars or recovering from a misstep. Use dives sparingly, as they commit you to a landing spot. Practice makes perfect. Focus on consistent, controlled jumps. For advanced play, consider hugging the bar by staying close to its rotation point, minimizing the distance you need to travel. Adapt to the platform's rotation, sometimes moving with it, sometimes against it, depending on the bar's speed. Maintain a calm and focused mindset, even as the pace quickens. Don't panic if you make a small error, quickly adjust your strategy. Consistency and quick reactions are your best allies for achieving maximum output.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.